Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome back, friends. Welcome back to another video lecture by Kami Microbiologist. Today in this video lecture we are going to start our new microbiology chapter, that is the industrial microbiology. So in this chapter we are going to cover almost 67 MCQs, and this is our first video of the industrial microbiology MCQs, and in this first video we will cover almost 20 MCQs. Okay. Now in the previous series of videos lecture, in different videos lecture, we talked different MCQs of the microbiology chapter. If you missed this, so the link will be present in the description box. You will check out it, and it is really important for the GAT subjective. These MCQs are mostly repeated in the GAT subjective. Okay, so today in this video we are going to see the chapter number 10 MCQs, which is the last chapter, and that is the industrial microbiology. So let's start. The first MCQs of this chapter says that the best medium for the production of penicillin is, so it is actually the corn steep liquor. B is the correct option. Second MCQ says that industrial important antibiotic producing organism shall be isolated by crowded plate method. D is the correct option. Third MCQ says that the industrial alcohol will be produced by, so it will be produced by bottom east. C is the correct option. Fourth MCQ says that the pyruvate deoxycarboxylase acetylaldehyde carbon dioxide, this reaction is especially observed in, so it is mostly observed in ethanol fermenter. So B is the correct option. Fifth MCQ says that the pyruvate dehydrogenase multi-enzyme complex does not occur in case of what? So it is mostly not occur in microphilic bacteria. B is the correct option. Then we have sixth MCQ, which says that the major ingredient of penicillin production media is what? So it is actually the corn steep liquor. B. Again the same MCQs is repeated. Okay. Then we have the outstanding example of traditional microbial fermentation product is, so it is actually vinegar. Which of the following involved the formation of nitrate from ammonia? So nitrate from ammonia, that is actually the nitrification. C is the correct option. Then we have 9 MCQ, which says that first genetically engineered and biotechnological produced vaccine was against, so it was against smallpox. B is the correct option. 10 MCQ says that one of the standard cloning vector widely used in gene cloning is, so in gene cloning the most important plasmid is PBR322. C is the correct option. 11 MCQ says that in alcoholic fermentation carbon dioxide is evolved during, so it is evolved during both AB, means we can say decarboxylating of pyruvic acid, formation of acetylaldehyde. And then we have 12 MCQs, which says that in the industrial production of the streptomycin, the secondary metabolite or byproduct is what? So it is actually, I think A is the correct option, vitamin B12. Then we have tobacco and tea leaves are fermented to give flavor and taste. This type of fermentation is called what? It is called curing. 14 MCQ said that vinegar fermentation involves what? So it's mostly involve yeast with acetic acid bacteria. Then we have 15 MCQs, which says that carcinoma refer to what? So carcinoma is actually referred to malignant tumor of connective tissue. D is the correct option. 16 MCQs. Byproduct of acetone butanol fermentation include what? So it include riboflavin. Is the correct option. 17 MCQ says that transgenic animal are for improvement of the quality of what? So it is improvement for the quality of meat, eggs, milk. So we can say D is the correct option, all of the above. 18. Thermo-resistant bacteria are important in the preservation of food by what? So it is important for the food by canning. B. 19 MCQ says that the fungus used in the industrial production of the citric acid. So for this, in the citric acid, the fungus is mostly Aspergillus nigricans. D is the correct option. Then we have MCQs number 20, which says that penicillin is commercially produced by, so it is commercially produced by Chrysogenium, uh, P. Chrysogenium. So I think 20 MCQs is enough in this video. Inshallah, in the next video we will explain other 20 MCQs. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.